everyone, welcome to Accounting Fastly. In today's video, I want to share with you one of the most fundamental and important aspects of accounting is chart of accounts. Financial chart of accounts for business, it's like a bird eye to show every aspect of this business, where the money being spent and where it makes money. You can see the relation from all these accounts to three major financial statements. We're going to use Amazon 2021 10K as example. So let's go. Asset account normally starts with cash and financial assets. And second one is cash and cash equivalents. All the way down, you can see it includes inventory and plant and equipment. Second category of GAAP chart accounts are liabilities. Liability accounts normally start with 2. Based on the liquidity, the first liability account would be payables. Depends on the terms. Some payables has to be paid due upon receipt. Some maybe 10 or 30 days. It's always as a standard. And here we can see accrued and other liabilities as well. So, and as you based on the acknowledge, you know the potential liabilities will happen. In most GL accounts in the ERP system, there are 5 digits. For instance, if you want to name payables, you can do 21000. Like this one trade payable, you can use 21100. Equity accounts start with number 3. All the equity is basically showing what the business owners claimed from the business. Here you can see it's owner's equity and returned earnings. The next category is revenue. All revenue accounts start with number 4. And first is recognize the point of time. This is the sale happened at the time exchange, and most normal accounts for revenue recognition would be goods or services provided. The next category here is expense. Expense are employee benefits or rent, depreciation, or cost of sales. All these accounts would start with number 5. The next category for the chart of accounts is other income and expenses. Basically, here goes all the revenues and expenses occurred as non-operational. And the next category would be intercompany and related party transactions. Basically, record any kind of interactions between the sub-company and parent company. Here you can see, as we look at a chart of accounts assets, we have cash and financial assets, cash and cash equivalent, and here using the same kind of account compared to the chart of account. And here's the inventories, as you can see, is using the same inventory account as well on their balance sheets. And here accounts receivable. And let's look at liabilities. On the financial statement, we have accrued expense and other. So this is one of the accounts showing liabilities on the chart of accounts as well. And here on earned revenue, it's deferred income. Basically, it's part of the liabilities as well. Here's long-term lease liabilities. And on the chart of accounts, you also have these lease obligations. And as part of description that for this type of business transactions, you record them in this account. And accounts payable here, most liquid liabilities account, as always showing on the top. Next, we look at equity accounts. On the bottom of the balance sheet, it shows owner's equity. All these accounts is straight using the chart of accounts, as you can see, additional paid-in capital, treasury account, and returned earnings. So all these chart of accounts would show up on the financial statement, straightforward. And next category is revenue accounts or from the GAAP chart accounts. On the Amazon income statement, this is a consolidated operating statement. It's part of P&L. Service sales shows here as a service revenue. And operational, here is expenses. Cost of sales is the cost that are created or purchasing the products. Interest income on the GAAP shows its other revenue, and here as well it's just other revenue. Like I mentioned, the company is not making interest income as the operational income, so it's listed as other income. As you can see, the accounts here straightforward. I hope you found today's video helpful, and please, in my next series video, I'm going to show you how to record transactions for each category. So please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. You will receive the latest updates in time. Thank you for watching. Please stay well.